Today I'm at Hollywood Studios for the first official opening day of Indiana Jones and the Den of Destiny.
The old Adventure Outpost has been repurposed to show movie props from the upcoming Indiana Jones film. This includes the new suit for Indiana Jones, his goddaughter, and her playing cards, in addition to a new chest. Plus, you've already seen the fedora and whip. A map of the Strait of Gibraltar indicates the importance of Antonio Banderas' character with finding the Dial of Destiny. Both the margarita and the bourbon cocktail emphasize the locations that Indiana Jones has traveled to. And I'm relieved they finally reopened Adventure Outpost after what seems forever of being closed for this limited time event. Oh, watch out, Indiana Jones. Don't throw your whip up in the fan. The margarita is a beautiful tinge of yellow, but relatively clear with a little lemon peel on top. The fedora is a beautiful bourbon cocktail with the perfect sphere of ice.
So we just had the taste of the margarita. It's very, very refreshing. It's sweet, but not sugary. Like, there's really no syrup. Very good, highly recommend it. So the Weathered Fedora has a perfect blend of vermouth, which offsets the Old Forester bourbon. Don't really get that whiskey flavor. And then the vanilla is perfect because it adds a little sweet flavor to it. And then you get all the delicious spices at the end. Definitely worth it.
And this is my favorite call out to the films. With Pankot Province, you'll leave your heart in the beautiful Pankot, referencing, of course, Temple of Doom. See you at the movie.